So what exactly are you doing?
You wanted me to make a primitive fire, so
I challenged him to primitive fire. Man, look at you go on the spot making the spindle and everything. Look at that. Let's see. Okay, we got some of the wood gathered up. got some small stuff. I need to get a little bit more. Oh, that's going to make a great bird's nest. Need to get some more of that for Jeremy. Oh, there's some over here. Yeah, we can harvest all that right there. What you doing, Jeremy? You burning it in?
Yeah, gonna get it burned in before I can notch it.
Now this is a fly or a spur of the moment challenge. Let's see what happens here. I think he can do it.
I've seen it done or done it.
Oh, I know he can do it. Go, Jeremy, go. Some serious ants going on. I agree.
Don't know that I got it yet. I see the smoke still.
Still smoking, man.
Still smoking. Yep, I think I got it.
Is it
It's right there. See how that
down
little
in
notch
the V? Down in the V?
is?
Yep.
What it does is when you build up all that char there,
Yeah.
and then it falls down the V, and then the hotter it gets, it makes a little amber.
Oh, we're smoking good now. Here it
Oh,
comes.
yeah, I see it.
See it? All right.
Now you gotta get your bird in there.
Well, we don't have to get into a huge hurry yet. We've
Yeah,
got
he's got
there. See the ember? There
Yeah.
it goes. Okay, I just saw it spark up there. All right, so get some more. See it?
Oh,
There it
yeah, I
is.
seen flame sparks.
Flashing up. All right. So what I want to do now, I can't believe I got it on the first try after being so long. I want to get some more of that dust down in there with it. All right. I'm kind of just tap it loose out of that weed. As much of that dust in there as you can.
You got it quick, man.
Wow.
There's your ember. All right. And get your nest ready.
She's supervising.
Get your, that's good there.
Make him go old school.
We'll drop our ember down in here now. We got enough wind here, we could almost just kind of hold this thing up into the breeze.
And let it do its thing.
I'll taco it in there a little bit.
Always blow up with the fire. Never blow down in it.
Why is that?
Once it catches on fire, it'll go up in your face.
Burn the old beard.
It's not pleasant.
Oh.
You're a little tick. I hate those things.
Now I'm gonna have to mine here. Nice. Pure fire.
Come back here and eat some more chips. Come here.
Souvenir.
There you go, man.
For you.
So how many times can you use the same?
As many as you want.
Spot
As many as you want.
That one's a thicker one, so you can get a few uses out of it.
before you have to make a new
Yeah.
spot? You just make a little dimple, don't you, and then work it back. And the stick makes the size of the hole.
She's trying. Something's gonna happen.
Careful, baby. That's hot. That's fire. Gotta be careful.
You got it over here. You did that pretty darn quick, dude.
I'm a little out of practice.
I was rather.
I got 25 on it, but I'd probably take I'd take a good offer if somebody gave me a good offer.